Fellas, what is going on, guys? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and what you're seeing right now on the screen is the price of Bitcoin, as you may know. But guess what? This week we had, of course, two important indicators in the economy: the PPI Producer Price Index and CPI Consumer Price Index. And of course, next month and the following month, December 2022, we're going to have FOMC meetings when Papa Powell, Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman, is going to meet with other bankers from the United States, different parts of the country, to decide how much they're going to increase the interest rates. Now, you're probably wondering, so what does that have to do with my crypto prices bumping to the moon? Well, everybody, you're here because you want to learn about crypto and want to know and stay ahead of the game. And that's what we teach you here in ClearCryptos. The point is, what we're seeing is just a combination of bear traps and bull traps. Bear traps when the price is gonna crash, but immediately does a reversal to the upside, and bull traps when the price is pumping, but immediately does a reversal to the downside. And sad but true, the bear traps start with news, but they're often just reversed by the market and the volume that everybody and the holders are wanted, the whales manipulation. And right here, I'm going to go ahead from the 4 hours. I'm going to go ahead and change this to the 1 hour and just kind of comment on one thing that in my personal channel, Oscar Ramos, I talked about, like, what in the world is this, right? Because how do you know the price of Bitcoin traveled from 19 to close to $17,000, which is close to the lowest price we've seen in the last 2 years, but immediately was rejected. And when we were roughly about 20,000, I said, of course, it's going to come down, and that's what it's doing. And with the RSI, I'm still seeing it as well. If you were frustrated that the price is just not having a constant growth, you need to ease and go out and relax, because this thing is going to continue like this until we have some level of uncertainty disappear. We need more clarity in crypto. We need more communication coming from our regulators, from out overseas, even with all the different things happening when it comes to the world, as far as wars, inflation, supply chain, and more. That all affects the prices, and that's how these values that we received earlier this week, CPI, PPI, labor statistics coming up as well very soon in the month of October, are a combination of the KPIs, the key performance indicators of the economy in the United States. And at the end, no matter how bullish you are, you're going to see your prices come down. And no matter how bearish you are, you're going to see the prices go up. It's not a 100% a lost cause, because traders take the opportunity to buy and sell in a day and make them happen. Of course, you need time. You got to stay, either put some triggers or dedicate some good time in the market so you get the hang of it. That is how the CPI and other major KPIs numbers affect the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to ClearCryptos, and we see you in the next time. Bye.